And we start tonight with a top story the entire nation is following. A jury delivering a split verdict this afternoon in the trial for two officers in the death of 23-year-old Elijah McClain. The jury found Randy Roedema guilty of criminally negligent homicide and third-degree assault, while Jason Rosenblatt was found not guilty of manslaughter and assault. The sentencing for Roedema is scheduled for January 5th at 1:30 in Adams County Court. Karen Morfitt has been in the courtroom all week, was there today as a verdict was read aloud to the world.
And Karen, it was an emotional day in court from all sides, the defendants and their families, as well as for Elijah McClain's mother, who said in a statement tonight she is still seeking justice for her son.
Years after the death of her son, Elijah McClain, Shanine McClain walked out of a courtroom where the first of 3 trials was held, fist raised to the air, frustrated with the outcome.
I'm out.
2 officers, 2 different decisions.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Jason Rosenblatt, not guilty.
Jason Rosenblatt was acquitted of all charges and left fighting back tears with his family and attorneys beside him.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Randy Roedema, guilty.
Randy Roedema found guilty of the lesser charges of criminally negligent homicide and third-degree assault. He was rushed from the courtroom by his defense. Attorney General Phil Weiser, whose team prosecuted the case, spoke just outside the courthouse.
We knew that this prosecution would be difficult. It was nonetheless important that this very significant case go before a jury.
He thanked the jury for their time and their work and ended with a message that there is still more to be done.
One of the ways that we can honor the memory of Elijah McClain is continue to work on how we improve policing, how we build trust between law enforcement and community.
Oh, Karen, this split decision I know surprised some people. So why such different outcomes for these 2 officers?
Well, Karen, I really think it shows that the jury looked at these cases separately, looked at the defendants separately. And we heard during the trial that it was Roedema who was found guilty, who was more involved in restraining McClain, while Rosenblatt had less experience and was listening to those on scene who had more experience than him.
Now, we mentioned just a moment ago that sentencing has been set for Roedema. What does that look like for him, and any idea if he's going to actually spend any time in jail?
Well, that will be obviously up to a judge to make the final determination, and a lot of factors will play into whether or not he does do any jail time. A judge will ultimately, again, have the say. The law says, though, for that felony charge of criminally negligent homicide, that the max would be 3 years. For the third-degree assault, our understanding from speaking with attorneys is he could spend up to 18 months in jail.
I know that you'll continue to follow this and keep us posted on all of this.
And the trial for Officer Nathan Woodyard starts tomorrow. He's facing reckless manslaughter. Then next month, both paramedic Jeremy Cooper and Peter Chuchnek will stand trial together, each facing reckless manslaughter and 3 counts of second-degree assault. I'll be one of the many reporters who will be covering those trials as well. And you can read reaction from Elijah McClain's mother and Aurora Police on our website at cbscolorado.com.
Still so much to come. Karen, thank you.